I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by collecting essentials and launching the workflow. You must have SSO provider credentials and RRP tokens accessible so you can demonstrate live. Once ready, set your camera and screen recorder to 1080p and verify audio levels. Make sure the sample app and developer console are logged in and visible. Start recording and narrate your intent. Show sign-in, token exchange, and RRP flow step by step. This avoids pausing later and keeps the demo continuous and credible. You now walk through the core execution. Trigger the SSO sign-in, follow the redirect, and capture the auth code exchange so viewers see the real network flow. Once done, decode and validate the token, inspect the RRP payload structure, and explain secure storage choices. This clarifies risk and design trade-offs. As you narrate, annotate the code and zoom on critical lines. Make sure to explain why each function exists and how it prevents common failures during real deployments. You finish by demonstrating token refresh, logout, and session invalidation so viewers see the full lifecycle. Then summarize best practices, enforce least privilege, store secrets securely, and implement robust error handling to reduce surprises. Finally, show a concise verification checklist and stop recording. If something breaks, check 3 quick things first: CORS policies, clock skew between servers, and token scopes, because those are the most common causes of RRP failures and will get you back.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.